Hi, so this is a kind of tutorial on annotating the magnetostricture videos. So I'm going to start with the 2 agents video right here with the needle and the gripper. So I'm going to start and annotate the needle itself and then the gripper. Note that the needle lies along the short end, or shorter length of the gripper. It doesn't go from side to side. And we need to kind of eyeball the middle right there. And just note that I've allocated 6 points, 3 for each of the agents, just so, yeah. And another thing that is really important is that the annotations shouldn't be on the direct boundary of one of the agents and the dish. It should be slightly inside. So I'm going to progress the frames and keep annotating. And it's really important that each of these points stays in the same relative place relative to its corresponding object between every frame. So, for example, when this needle flips around, this point needs to correspond to the end of the needle always. And same for this gripper. The gripper is not symmetrical, so this longer side corresponds to, in my case, the green point. So this should give an indication of which side is the right side for a particular point. So for 2 agent videos, we can just allocate 6 points. Yeah. So for a single needle video, we allocate 3 points for annotation. We take the end, the middle, and the tip. And here the tip is slightly different, so that should give you an indication of which point corresponds to where. And this is fairly straightforward. Another feature of my annotator is that you can use the arrow keys for an object that's moving up, down, left, right, which kind of just speeds up the process a bit. So I can do that with these needles here. And the last type of annotation is a single gripper. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to label the corners and the edge of the gripper. So like that. And then label the middle. And this is just so we can, if these 2 points don't match, we can use these ends to reconstruct the data about the center and the whereabouts of the needle. And likewise, I can just keep annotating like this. Again, it's really important that the same points correspond to the same locations on your specific agent. It's important because we are passing this directly into the computer vision algorithm, and so if the data that the algorithm is training on is tainted in some way, then it will kind of mess up the training aspects. But yeah.